We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee, her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some smothered chicken liver and onions. And here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing you our ingredients. I have 2 containers of chicken liver, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, buttermilk. I have onions, all-purpose flour, chicken broth, and canola oil, and some water. Those are our ingredients, so now let's get to cooking. Here I'm shaking up our buttermilk. We're getting ready to pour some into our chicken livers. I have removed all the fat from our chicken liver that I could see. And so now we're pouring on our buttermilk. Now I'm sprinkling on some seasoned salt. You use your favorite seasoned salt. Onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now we're mixing all our seasoning in together. Here we are heating up our oil, and I'm showing you I'm only using all-purpose flour for my breading. And now we're going to fry up our chicken livers. Here we're breading our chicken livers in all-purpose flour, and now we're placing it into the hot oil. I'm frying these chicken livers on a medium-high heat. Be very careful with doing this step because you don't want to stand too close to the skillet because it may splatter or something like that on you, so be very, very careful. I'm going to continue placing our chicken livers in our skillet, and then I'm going to be back. Here we're using our tongues to turn our chicken livers over. Okay, the second side, you do not have to fry as long as the first side. Make sure they have a golden brown color, and then you'll know to turn them over. Depending on how you like yours, you can fry them, or you can fry them hard or soft. It's all up to you. So now is the time to remove your chicken livers. Here I'm removing my chicken livers, letting you know that you can deep fry your chicken livers instead of pan frying them, and they will cook more quickly that way, but it's all up to you. Here we're continuing cooking our chicken livers. You may be asking me, how long do I cook them on each side? This is what I do. I just cook them for, until they turn golden brown, and then I just turn them over, flip them over, and then I just wait until that side turn brown. It's really not a certain time, as long as you are cooking them not too fast, but on a medium high heat. Now that our chicken livers are all ready, you can eat these as they are, but if you want to smother them, I'm going to show you just how. Now I have removed our oil from the skillet. Be very careful when handling hot or warm oil. But now I'm removing the particles off the side. This is flavor, y'all. Here I'm adding some oil. And now we're adding our onions. And we're going to saute these onions until they get to the texture that you like. Here I'm showing y'all how I like mine. I just let them maybe saute for 2.5 minutes or something like that. So now I'm removing them. Okay, this is the way I want mine. And so I want mine in between. I don't want them crunchy, and then I don't want them too tender. So what I'm doing, I'm removing some of them. I'm going to leave a few in there for our gravy. Okay, since we have grilled our onions, now we're preparing our gravy. Here I'm adding some all-purpose flour to our skillet. And if you don't want the all-purpose flour, you can also use cornstarch. Here we're mixing in our flour into our oil, and sometimes you may need a little more oil, but right now we don't. But if you add more flour, you need more oil. And so it's hard for me to tell y'all how much, I can kind of guess. But this is the way I do mine to prepare my gravy. And so just keep stirring this up and until it gets to a brown color. What I'm doing, I want more gravy, so I'm adding more all-purpose flour. And if you don't, like I said, if you don't want to use the all-purpose flour, use cornstarch. And just do it the same way as I'm doing this. And we're going to continue to mix this around until it becomes a caramel color. Now we're adding some chicken broth. And if you don't have chicken broth, you can use water. Some people say that chicken broth bring more flavor. Yes, it may do, but sometimes we may not have that. Back in the day, my mother didn't have it, so she just used water, and it was just as good. And so you do it whichever way you prefer. If you prefer the chicken broth, you use it. And here I'm adding a little water to mine. And we're going to continue to mix this until it becomes to your thickness. Here I'm adding some black pepper and some onion powder. I'm using this for more flavor. And we're going to stir this around. Y'all, our gravy is almost complete. This is all I added. I didn't add any salt because we added the chicken broth. But make sure you taste your gravy to see if it has enough salt in it, okay? Our gravy is all finished. Now it's time to add our chicken livers back in. I'm not going to add all of them, just some, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, I have added all the chicken livers that I want to add. Like I said, I'm saving some for later. Here I'm adding just a little water to thin out my gravy because I don't want it real thick, but it's all up to you. If you like yours thick, don't add any more water or chicken broth to your gravy. Here I'm adding a few onions on top of our chicken livers, and I'm going to save some for the rest of our chicken livers. Here we're adding the rest of our chicken livers on top. And now the rest of our onions. This is for the family members that don't want the gravy. But you can just serve these like this anyway because they are so good. The combo of the crunchiness and the chicken livers with the gravy, y'all, this is so good. Okay, I'm going to let this steam for maybe a couple of minutes, like simmer steam. And then I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me today as much as I enjoyed cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Y'all, these chicken livers are so good and flavorful. I didn't add any vegetable at this time, but you can serve your favorite vegetable with this. It can be served with green beans, sweet peas, or your favorite vegetables. In another video, I will be showing y'all a different way of making these chicken livers without the gravy. So be looking for that video, okay? Okay, y'all. Here's our smothered liver and onions with gravy. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. I just wanted to come on and just let y'all know that I have been under the weather, suffering with my allergies. And so y'all keep me in your prayers, and I have been missing y'all so much. But y'all know my voice is part of my video, and so I have to have a somewhat good voice to record my videos. And so y'all just keep me in your prayers, and I will continue to pray for you. Again, love y'all and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!